Yo, what's good, y'all? You know what I'm saying? We're back at it again with another video. And so, yes, it's another short and sweet video. I stay looking at the wrong camera, bro. It's another short and sweet video, you know what I'm saying? So today, we doing some mozzarella sticks, you know what I'm saying? Hold up, pause, you know what I'm saying? I just want to let y'all know my energy is stupid low because I record this like at 1 something in the morning. And so I'm not trying to get too crazy, too energetic because, you know what I'm saying, I ain't trying to get in trouble with my landlord, you know what I'm saying? But, so we're making some Cheetos Mozzarella sticks, son. So I hope y'all ready because we about to get right into the video. And one last thing. Play my shit. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into the video, you know what I'm saying? So like right now what we rocking is, bro, we got some string cheese, but like as you can see, it's just regular string cheese, regular mozzarella string cheese. You can use cheddar if you want to, and it'll probably be fire, and I really don't know why I didn't use it, but besides that, bro, we have some Cheetos, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, we just got regular, like the crunchy sauce. We didn't get the puffs because, like, honestly, bro, the puffs suck. Like, the puff is just straight trash, bro. Like, I don't know why people eat it. And so I'll explain to you that how we're gonna be crushing this up in a little bit. But besides that, bro, we're gonna need some eggs. And so this is gonna be our egg wash to help really keep the Cheetos sticking to the mozzarella sticks, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro, so this is how we're rocking. And so basically how I use the Cheetos. I just use a blender. I didn't really use, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't have a food processor. Usually I just like do it by hand or try to use my blender. But I did it by hand by as best as I could. But then I just throw that thing in the blender, like get it really nice and groundy and poundy and like basically, you know what I'm saying? But you don't have to use cheeses, or I said cheeses, bro. You don't have to use Cheetos or Takis or whatever, you know what I'm saying? You just use regular breadcrumbs, but like I said, I just want to be fancy with it, so I decided to use Cheetos. So yeah, bro, like I was saying, is for the fellow people out here there who gotta do it by hand, you gonna want to smash those babies up, son. So if you ever like sad or frustrated or angry, you know what I'm saying, this is a great way to get some stress out, you know what I mean? So like throw some Marvin's Room in and you good, bro. But besides that, bro, we're gonna need to you know, so basically bread them up. So we're gonna want to get our egg wash, separate our cheese for our packet, and just one hand into the egg wash because like you don't want no clumpiness in the other hand. I mean, y'all can do it and y'all can see what happens. So what I didn't, you know what I'm saying? So like what we did was just toss the other hand into the Cheeto mix, and then what you also want to do is you're gonna want to double dip. So double dip means you're just gonna throw it right back into the batter, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro, so like that's it. And so what else you need to do is freeze it for a little bit, for about like an hour or so, you know what I'm saying? Once you freeze it, the reason why you freeze it is because you don't want your breading to fall off while you're frying it, to really make it you want to make sure the breading really sticks to the cheese, you know what I'm saying? And they shall, because once you do that double dipper, bro, you get this beautiful orange tilt to it, you know what I'm saying, bro? And so you don't really want to cook it for too long. If anything, probably like a minute or two, then flip it. And once you see the cheese come out, you just want to pull that baby out. So like, this is how we're looking, bro. So let's go ahead and taste it. You know what I'm saying? So this is how we're looking, bro. You know what I'm saying? Can you focus, though? Can you focus, though? Stop focus on me, camera. Focus on the sticks. So let's try these things, boy. Oh, let's do some cheese. Let's try some cheese with this thing, boy. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of queso. Bro. This thing is so good, bro. Like, you really taste like the cheese it. Like, almost like Cheetos. But the Cheetos, they're like, they got a little cold on me. Too busy taking a picture for it. This is so good, bro. So, this is another episode. A short and sweet, you know what I'm saying? So, let me know what other videos you want me to make for another short and sweet episode, bro. Like, literally anything. Yeah, I'll read it in the comments and see what what I like the best. But besides all that, y'all, you probably hear my dog in the background, like, talking about, let me in! Let me in! But, besides all that, man, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. You check out the next video, so catch y'all to the next video, y'all. Let's get it.